present tense. Now, now. Today, today. Every day, every day. At the moment, at the moment. These days, these days. Currently, currently. Right now, right now. This week, this week. Nowadays, nowadays. All the time, all the time. As of now, as of now. Often, often. Past tense. Yesterday, yesterday. Last night, last night. Last week, last week. Last year, last year. 2 days ago, 2 days ago. In the past, in the past. In 1999 years, in 1999 years. Before that, before that. The day before, the day before. Ages ago, ages ago. Previously, previously. Future tense. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Next night, next night. Soon, soon. In 2 days, in 2 days. Later today, later today. In 20-35 years, in 20-35 years. In the future, in the future. This weekend, this weekend. Someday, someday. After a while, after a while. By next week, by next week.